So again, this is Priscilla Batzell in Spring Hill, Florida at Expressionist Fluorescent Studio. That's an 11 by 14 inch canvas that's pre-primed black. And I'm going to do a variation on a theme. That's some Mayan gold. I have no idea if this is going to work or not, but I'm dying to try it. That was a Prizm pour. This is Indigo Violet. I have enjoyed very much the way the Royal Sapphire looks. I'm just going to go to whichever color appeals to me, and I'll go back again and fill in if I'm of a mind to. This is the Jasmine, it's a primary element. I'm really curious to find out what happens when you use bright colors on a black canvas. And I am contemplating finishing it with some Minwax White Bond Poly. That was Sour Lemon with some Orange Crush added to it. This is Orange Crush, which does not feel like it's coming out well at all. So give me a minute to use my tweezers that you can find on my Amazon link. I would really like that to come out, but even if I get only a little bit, that's fine. I just have to leave it someplace I can clean the tip out. I'm going to use some Chantilly lace. Try not to stick my bottle into any more paint. I am going to use some Meeden Black. And I do keep sticking my bottle in, but I think it'll be okay anyway. I don't recommend it. And usually it's just dots. The wiggly lines was my own new invention. I think I'm going to do some black, and then I'm going to bring in the Red Violet. If it's a lighter viscosity, it works better. Originally I saw this on Instagram, and I don't know who did it, and I do apologize. I'm not trying to steal somebody's method. Somebody else did it before me, but I was also doing my own version of this and some abstract expressionist pieces with the dots and pulling them down before I ever saw that, so sometimes minds think alike. So I've got Red Violet, let's cover some of those mistakes up. I've got a blue and I'm being called to it, so I think I'm going to add something else. As long as it's handy. It was handy a moment ago, so it can't be far away. I've got an interference gold, that might be kind of cool, but I'd really like that lighter colored blue. Right, there it is. Cool. I like it. And something works out for me. I'm going to try and pull the squeegee right off. I was going to use my spatula, but I'll save that for another time. I know the squeegee works. Cross your fingers the gold doesn't mess everything up. I want more turquoise, and I have Mystique, and I'm going to use it. This is the longest part of this. Mystique is a primary element. If I didn't tell you all the colors, you'll see them underneath the video. Now I've got elbow room. I've got elbow room, but I've decided I want more jasmine. Because jasmine really makes everything pop, and it's my favorite, without a doubt. The white is probably the thing that I probably will wish I had more of. So a little more Chantilly lace. If you had a thicker white than I've got, you could use that instead. Cross your fingers, here goes nothing. I won't really know what the whole thing looks like until it's had a chance to dry. Kind of want to use that. But I'm not sure there's any point. Because it's nice colors, but it's definitely... Well, that kind of worked. It does get muddy. Colors, the leftover residuals really aren't very usable. Now I could go back through, I think. And I could definitely do it again tomorrow, which might be kind of a cool idea to try. In the meantime, I kind of want to take some colors, put them on a card. See what that looks like. Move that out of the way. It's not, I didn't waggle enough, I don't think. I've got to remember to clean that tip out. I made a mistake. I should have spotted it. Leave it to me to try and fix it, which is what I'm going to do, if I can. That was the Red Violet, this is the Royal Sapphire. Now last time I tried to do some of that and I didn't, and I put it in straight lines, and I don't think I really want to do that. Let's use the spatula. Leave some colors. I'm being called to Blue Velvet, and some jasmine. I might still put some black and white on there. I'll wipe off my spatula. want some more Royal Sapphire. And Chantilly Lace on. So the first way I did the stripes was with the spatula, and so I'm just returning to my roots. That was the Red Violet again. I want to just keep going until it's finished. I'm not sure what finished means with one of these though. I think in this case I think the sour lemon, that was the Orange Crush. I think the sour lemon will help. I don't know about the zigzags. I don't think they worked. I don't think they were an improvement over the original idea. And I want to experiment with larger sized dots. And I'm going to keep wiping off my spatula in between. I think some gold might help, but I'm not hating what I've got anymore either. Kind of want some black and white right in here. I don't know if that's a good idea or not, but I'm going to do it anyway. If you don't have a complete success, that's when I give myself permission to do whatever I want. This time I'm actually going to wipe off that spatula. I think you could use an acetate card too. There, I'm not unhappy with that. That's kind of cool. Let me use what I've got left to fill in this one gap. Cool. So, I don't know if I'm getting better at this or not, but I'm gaining practice. And I want some black right there, where I have a gap. Residual right there where I have another gap, and that's the end of that. Alright, I bet it's oh, it's cool. Fingers are becoming useful. And you could probably do a toothy tool over one of these. Pretty cool. Where's my white? Not to mention the idea that dots might be pretty cool also. That wasn't perfect, but there's nothing perfect about your beginning pieces anyway. Alright, that's it. That one thing is bothering me. Okay, that more than one thing is bothering me. think you could put all kinds of weird stuff over the top of this, like geometrics. That may not have been kosher, but it is what it is, and it's kind of cool the way it is, so I'm happy. I want some blue over here. I'm just never done till I'm done. Can't trust me. And then she finished by finger painting. Just wiping off my finger. So that's the direction I like it. It's different, it's fun, it was an experiment. It's the third painting I did, the second recording I made. We'll see what it looks like when it dries, but it's beautiful right now. And I think dots would be perfect in this. Maybe tomorrow that'll happen. Who knows? It won't be part 2, it'll just be another video. I like this. I like this a lot. It was fun to do too. And it was, because I was new at it, it gave me permission. These dots over here, I'm not sure where they came from, but it makes me think maybe boom gel in there would bring up some cells. That might be kind of cool. Doing this technique with some cell activator might also be nice. So, I love you guys. I hope you come again. I post 10:15 a.m. Eastern Standard Time. I have 31 lists of 100 videos on playlists, all playlists, creative playlists, or you're welcome to ask me for a link, because I've got everything saved by topic and genre. On my Linktree, you'll find a couple websites, my Amazon link, where my 2 books are, Because I Can and Unlimited Possibilities. My community board will show you tomorrow's video at 10:15 a.m. Eastern Standard Time. On the Linktree, you'll find Pinterest, Instagram, Twitter links. My email address is a way to reach me for information about purchasing an artwork, or maybe taking a private class one-on-one with me at the house in Spring Hill, Florida. My paint pouring recipes are underneath Show More. Please give me a thumbs up. Thank you so much for your donations through PayPal. The icon is on the bottom right-hand corner of the YouTube channel banner. And thank you for all the new members. If you'd like to become a member and help me buy art supplies and keep bringing tutorials to you guys, then please do so at $9.99 a month, and you get access to over 110 videos in the members-only library. Whatever I've forgotten is questions are welcome and encouraged. So if you'd like to leave me a question, I'm happy to try and help. I'm new at this, so I don't know as much as I will after I've done a few more, but I enjoyed doing it, and I'll enjoy seeing how it dries tomorrow, and cross your fingers that it does. I'll see you anon, and I love you guys. You inspire the heck out of me. Bye for now. Priscilla out.